little bit of a time this morning, so guess who's joining me for story time? It's Rory. Can you wave? He's like, maybe not. So, good morning. Welcome to Toddler Storytime with an actual toddler. I never know when like toddler age actually starts, but for me, it kind of felt like, oh, he's walking, he's in a new stage. So, Rory is 14 months old, and he's still figuring out the difference between 2 naps and 1 nap, and we've just had kind of a rough morning. So Rory is here for story time, and then you're gonna nap after story time. What do you think? Not sure. Are you gonna go run around? Maybe. Okay, you don't want to get down, but you do want to stay here. Cool. Okay, so this morning we're doing a story time that is all about Martin Luther King Jr. Day. And then also Miss Linda is going to do a story time all about Martin Luther King Jr. as well. It's Dr. King's birthday. Well, actually, I think it was his birthday last Friday. But this is the day that we celebrate as national holiday. And today we're going to read some books all about and celebrating equality and stuff like that. Sorry, I'm not very articulate today. I promise that generally I am. I had a whole speech planned, but it also has just kind of fizzed 100% out of my brain. Okay, so Dr. King was such an excellent force in our country, and he, yes, he was awesome, and he promoted equality, and in that vein, and talking about sometimes talking about equality and different races, and why we treat different races differently can be, and the systemic racism that's present in our country, all of those things can be really hard to talk about with a little one. But we, the Lawrence Public Library, along with the Third Planet, has teamed up to create these Let's Talk kits. So, here is a Let's Talk kit. So, it comes with books. Rory, do you want to see the inside? Let's see if I can do this all together with a baby on my lap. Ooh. Okay. It comes with books. And this is the 0 to 3 kit. So it comes with 5 books and a discussion activity binder. So there's Anti-Racist Baby in this one. There is Global Babies, or Babies del Mundo. Oh, you want to look at that one? Perfect. I'll put that one under my leg. This one is called All the Colors of the Earth. And this is the one that we're going to read today. I already practiced that, luckily. I'm going to show the next 2. Then we've got Shades of People and more, Set the Baby. So these are all 5 books that are included in the kit. Plus, let's see, what else have we got? We've got this awesome binder that comes with, yeah, let's open it up, Rory. So it comes with discussion questions that you can discuss about the books themselves. It talks about how to talk about race with kids. And tips for teaching and talking about race. So it's got a whole binder, and it's in Spanish and in English. So, and then it's also got some additional resources in the back so that you can start having these conversations. And I guess the early literacy tip of the day, because I said I was going to try and include more early literacy tips as Rory drops a book, is that it's never too early to start talking about race. So there's this lovely graphic here that kind of shows when to start talking, and it's as early as you can. Some of it's pretty simple. I mean, I'm not going to sit Rory down and point out the systemic racism that's been part of our country, although I could. He would probably love that lecture. But you can start by by just looking at the characters on the page and noticing differences, because we all look different. Even though Rory's my kid, he's got blonde hair, I've got brown hair. Well, we're both really sleepy right now, but so we're all different. And you can just point out by noticing different shades of skin, different skin tones, pointing out different hair colors, how Rory and my hair is very straight, but some people have very curly hair. Do you want to start with a song? We can start with a song. Okay, so you can start by just pointing out those little differences, and that starts getting that conversation going of showing that we are different. It's not something that you just brush to the side, I guess. So that's our literacy tip for the day. Talk about those differences, point them out, use the words. That also helps you read, because when you talk about straight hair versus curly hair and different colors of skin, those are all different vocabulary words that you can use too. Okay, this is gonna be a fun story time. All right, so next we're gonna do our hello, because we usually start with a hello, don't we, Rory? Rory doesn't know. He's usually napping. So we're gonna start with a big hello. Rory, can you say hello to everyone? Can you wave? Rory does a very good princess wave, queen wave, royal wave, where he turns his wrist. Might not happen today. But we're gonna start by saying hello. Hello, everyone. I hope everyone's having an excellent day. After we say hello, it's always fun to get started with a song. I'm a little afraid if I get out Morris, that Morris the monkey is going to be too much awesomeness for Rory to handle. Rory will try and eat his face, but we'll try. Do you want to say hi to Morris the monkey? Okay, let's see. All right, Morris the monkey's gonna come out and sing the Storytime song with us. It's a monkey. Monkey. All right, so we are going to get started with our Storytime song. So what do we need to do, Morris? We need to pat and we need to clap. Ooh, good ones. Can you show us what it's like to pat your legs? You go pat, 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 pat. How about to clap your hands? Rory, can you clap? Clap, 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 clap. Can you clap? He's like, I'm not going to do anything for you today. All right, so we do pats and then we do claps. Is that all we do, Morris? It's not all we do. What do we do? Oh my gosh, we mix them all together. Can you mix them all up? Mix, 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 mix. Can you mix high? Rory can't mix high yet, but Morris can. He can mix so high. Can you mix low? Can you mix them out to the sides? Can you mix, Rory? Mix, 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 mix. All right, we mixed up our pats and our claps. So we don't go pat, 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 clap, clap, clap. We go pat, clap, pat, clap, pat, clap. Want to do a 1, 2, ready, go, Morris? Okay, 1, 2, ready, go. Story time, come and share a story time. Look at books, listen well to the stories we will tell. Great job, Morris. Thank you for showing us all of those moves. Can you show us those moves in the middle? Okay, so we put our hands out in front of us like we're looking at a book. And then we put our hands behind our ears because we're showing that we're listening well. Did you listen well, Rory? All right, let's sing it one more time. I love to sing this song 2 times to get story time started. So let's sing it 2 times. So we go pat, clap, pat, clap, pat, clap. 1, 2, ready, go. Story time, story time. Come and share a story time. Look at books, listen well to the stories we will tell. Great job, everyone. Thank you so much for singing along. I hope you're all clapping for each other because that was excellent. All right, Morris is going to go. Ooh, are you getting down? Ooh, he's going to move the camera around. Camera.
Mama.
Yeah, maybe Dad can come grab you. Oh, or he's going to run away. All right, so I'm going to put Morris back and we're going to read our first book. Alrighty. So this is one of the books that's featured in the Let's Talk Race Kit. It's called All the Colors of the Earth, and I just really loved when I was looking through all the books in there, and I loved it, so I was like, I'm going to read this one for our special Martin Luther King Jr. story time. So it's by Sheila Hamanaka, and I think she illustrated it as well. Yep, All the Colors of the Earth by Sheila Hamanaka. Children come in all the colors of the earth. The roaring browns of bears and soaring eagles. Can you guys all do a big roar like this kid? Oh, she is doing, I think she's got little ponytails. They are doing a great roar. The whispering golds of late summer grass. Oh, look at that mountain lion in the grass. See how his skin's just a little bit different? Look. Her skin is brown and his skin is yellow. He's going, shh. Can you guys all go, shh? And crackling russets of fallen leaves. Oh, I love playing in the leaves. Can any of you guys do a cartwheel? Oh, I used to be good at cartwheels. I have not practiced in a long time. Or the tinkling pinks of tiny seashells by the rumbling sea. I would definitely be very pink after I laid outside like them. Because I sunburn super easy. Children come with hair like bouncy baby lambs. Look how curly all of their hair is. My hair is so straight. I've always wanted curly hair. Or hair that flows like water. Oh, she looks so cool in the pool. Her hair looks so pretty. Or hair that curls like sleeping cats in snoozy cat colors. Look, her hair's a little bit orange like our cat. Her hair's a little bit like dark brown or black like the cat. Oh, it's so pretty. Children come in all the colors of love and endless shades of you and me. For love comes in cinnamon, walnut, and wheat. Love is amber and ivory and ginger and sweet. Like caramel and chocolate and the honey of bees. Dark as leopard spots, light as sand. Children buzz with laughter that kisses our land, with sunlight like butterflies, happy and free. Oh my gosh, all these kids look like they're having the best time ever. I wish I was outside playing in the grass, and I wish it looks warm in this photo. I don't think it's warm enough outside to go play in the grass. Children come in all the colors of the earth, sky, and sea. The end. All right, I'm going to clap for that book because I liked it so much. So again, this is the Let's Talk kits. This one's specifically about race. I think we have some more. We're going to do some different ones later to talk about those tougher topics that it can be hard to bring up with kids. So this one's about race. I think we have them for 3 different age groups. There's 0 to 3, 3 to 5, and then grade school as well. The kits come with 5 books, the discussion guide, and then you can put them on hold too. So if you see this story time and you're like, that looks awesome, I want to take it home with me, just put it on hold. I have it checked out now, but I'll have it back to the library soon so that everyone else can check it out. Let me see. If you have any questions, you can always put them in the comments below. I know our Facebook people are really good about answering questions and comments. Let me think if I have anything else to say. Usually I would sing another song, but I'm just kind of feeling kind of frazzled and all over the place this morning. So, and plus I know that you guys are getting a special treat with Miss Linda this afternoon for her Martin Luther King Jr. story time. She loves doing a Happy Birthday Dr. King story time. So I will let her give you a little bit more polished, a little bit more put together, and little with more songs and books and fun this afternoon. All right, goodbye everyone. Thank you for tagging along with me this morning. Hopefully we'll get this nap time thing figured out, but if not, then it might be another fun, crazy week next week. Bye everyone. Have an excellent day. I hope everyone's enjoying their day off if you get the day off, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye. Oh wait. You guys probably want to say goodbye to Morris. Ooh, who even cares about me? Morris, do you want to come say goodbye? Yes, he does. Bye, everyone. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.